Now let's delve into 3 popular hydroponic systems that are perfect for both beginners and seasoned growers: NFT, DWC, and Aeroponics. Imagine each system as a unique way of delivering a nutrient-rich feast to your plants, ensuring they thrive. NFT, or nutrient film technique. Picture a gently sloping channel where a thin film of nutrient solution constantly flows past your plant's roots. This constant flow delivers oxygen and nutrients directly to the roots, promoting vigorous growth. Think of it as a lazy river for your plants, providing them with a constant supply of nourishment. DWC, or deep water culture. Imagine your plants suspended in a container filled with an aerated nutrient solution. The roots are submerged in this oxygen-rich solution, allowing for excellent nutrient uptake. It's like giving your plants a refreshing bath in a nutrient-packed jacuzzi. Aeroponics. This method takes things to a whole new level. Imagine your plants suspended in the air, their roots periodically misted with a fine nutrient solution. This technique maximizes oxygen exposure to the roots, leading to incredibly fast growth rates. Think of it as a spa treatment for your plants, where they receive a revitalizing mist of nutrients. Each hydroponic system has its own set of advantages and challenges, making it important to choose the one that aligns best with your needs and gardening style. NFT advantages. NFT systems are known for their simplicity and efficiency. They use less water than DWC systems and are excellent for growing leafy greens and herbs. Challenge: power outages can be a concern as the plants rely on the constant flow of the nutrient solution. DWC advantages. DWC systems are incredibly easy to set up and maintain, making them perfect for beginners. They are also great for growing larger plants like tomatoes and peppers. Challenge: maintaining the correct pH and nutrient levels in the water is crucial, as imbalances can quickly affect plant health. Aeroponics advantages. Aeroponics offers the fastest growth rates of all the systems due to the maximum oxygen exposure to the roots. It's also incredibly water efficient. Challenge: aeroponic systems can be more complex to set up and require a higher initial investment. Choosing the right hydroponic system is like choosing the right tool for the job. It's important to consider your available space, the plants you want to grow, and of course, your budget. For instance, the NFT system is ideal for beginners and those with a limited space. It's just perfect for growing leafy greens, herbs, and strawberries. On the other hand, DWC is another great option for beginners, especially if you're looking to grow larger fruiting plants. If you're feeling adventurous, Aeroponics is best suited for experienced growers with a larger budget who are looking to really maximize growth rates. But remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. The best system is the one that best suits your individual needs and preferences. Starting your hydroponic journey with confidence, well, it's really easier than you might think. You can start small with a basic NFT or DWC system just to get the hang of it. There are plenty of online resources and communities to guide you along the way, including the fantastic team at Hydroponics. For your first foray into hydroponics, choose fast-growing, easy-to-care-for plants like lettuce, spinach, or herbs. As you gain confidence, you can experiment with different plants and systems. Hydroponics is a rewarding and sustainable way to connect with nature and enjoy fresh, homegrown food all year round. So embrace the world of soilless gardening and discover the joy of growing your own food in a whole new way. Remember, the best way to learn is by doing. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and learn as you grow. Happy gardening! And hey, a special thanks to Hydroponics for their support and inspiration in making hydroponics accessible to all.